In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF in Bluebeam, whether you're correcting a typo, adjusting an image, or cleaning up a document before sharing. This quick process will help you make precise changes without leaving Bluebeam Review. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Review. You can do this by launching Review, going to File and Open, or by dragging your PDF directly into the workspace. Give the page a moment to render, and make sure you're looking at the right page and zoom level so you can clearly see the content you plan to change. Next, select the Edit Text or Edit Image tool from the toolbar. These tools modify the actual content of the PDF, not just add markups, so they're ideal for permanent changes. If you don't immediately see them, check your toolbar visibility or look for the content editing tools. Choosing the correct tool sets you up for clean, accurate edits. Now click on the specific piece of text or the image you want to modify. You'll typically see a bounding box or selection indicators around the item you've chosen. If the text doesn't highlight or the image can't be selected, the content may be flattened, secured, or part of a scanned document. In that case, you may need to work with permissions or use text recognition, but for standard editable PDFs, selection should be straightforward. Zoom in as needed to ensure you're clicking the exact element you want. With the item selected, make your changes. For text, simply start typing to fix wording, correct spelling, or update numbers. You can usually adjust font, size, and color through the Properties panel if the PDF allows it, keeping formatting consistent with the surrounding text. For images, drag the corner handles to resize and hold Shift to maintain proportions. Click and drag to move the image to a new location, or use the arrow keys for precise nudging. Many images can also be rotated using the rotation handle if available. Take a moment to review alignment and spacing so the layout stays balanced and professional. Finally, save the PDF to keep your edits. Use Save to overwrite the existing file if that's what you want, or choose Save As to create a new version and preserve the original. Adding a clear suffix like edited can help you track versions. After saving, quickly scan through the document to confirm everything looks right and that your changes are complete. That's all it takes to edit a PDF in Bluebeam Review. Open the file, choose the appropriate edit tool, click the content, make your adjustments, and save your work.